everyone.
Hi everyone.
Oh, welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, the place of home flying craft ales. If you are meant for, you won't find him cancelled, just like Jeremy Carlson's not cancelled either. And you certainly won't find him moving to Twickenham along with the rest of Welford Road. It's the world famous Alan Partridge.
This is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge. Just before we go anywhere, RFU. Anyway. Rugby again, sorry.
Rugby again.
Evening, bro, how are you?
Not too bad. And you know what goes best with rugby, don't you?
Beer.
Have
we, par chance, got some to try?
We have indeed, yes. We've got a full range of beers across the bar, bro, for us to try from various different suppliers throughout the UK.
Lovely. You should all be pretty familiar with the format now. Basically, my brother makes beers. We review them and tell you what they're like, in our opinion.
And we're going to do everything. We're going to carry on doing everything. We review from 1 tin kits to full grain. We'll do part grain. We'll do anything anybody suggests.
We'll try and cover the lot, you know. Yeah. So with that in mind, bro,
we're going to start off with a 1 tin kit.
Well, this baby here, look. 1 tin kit. That's one of these babies here.
And this is a Williams Warn.
Let me get some specs down on this. This is a Williams Warn American Pale Ale hopped to liquid malt extract.
Yep.
Just something else come with this? Or?
Yeah, you actually get some yeast and it goes on to the top. You get a bag of hops.
Right.
And if you go for the 23 litre kit or 25 litre kit, you get a bag of hops.
Lovely jubbly.
And you're supposed to make a hop tea.
Oh, right. Wait, what? In a cup separate sort of thing?
No. To make a hot tea, you need one of these.
It's like a percolator type thing.
It's a French coffee press.
That's the fella.
And what you do is you put your boiling water in as if you would your coffee.
Yeah.
And then you put your hops in.
Yeah.
And then after about 20 minutes, you plunge it down.
Oh, yeah.
And you got hop tea.
And what do you do with the hop tea?
You put it in fermented on with your malt extract.
There you go.
Something different, eh? Something different to try.
There you go. Let's try that. I would tell you what it's like, but the writing on the back is like...
It's shocking, isn't it?
It's minute. American Pale Ale has amber appearance with prominent bitterness due to ale crystal malts used. It's a steady malt flavour with a touch of bready and toasty notes. I'm not going to try and read much more because that is minute on the back there. But there you go.
do get a bag of malt extract as well with this kit. Comes in fairly dear though. I have seen it at... I got one from Brew Day.
Okie.
And if you go for the larger 23, you can buy a 10 litre kit and you can buy a 23 litre kit. If you go for the 23 litre kit, it comes out at 33 quid.
Ooh, that is quite expensive for 1 tin kit, isn't it?
But I have also seen on Williams Warn's website,
Yeah.
they do a all-in-one kind of like conical fermenter, pressure fermenter.
Right.
And, you know, so you can put your beer in there, you can ferment it, you can drain your sediment off the bottom, then you can drink it.
Right.
What's £599?
Well, you know, if you've got £599 going spare somewhere,
We'll buy one of them. Right, anyway, back to the beer.
Well, it's bitter coloured.
Actually, smell them mops quite well, actually.
Oh, actually, that's got quite a nice nose to that, hasn't it?
Yeah. Nice,
fruity
nose.
They're coming through quite nicely there, aren't they?
Bit of cold haze on there, but I think other than that,
it's particularly cold again here in frozen Lincolnshire. Shall we dive in, bro?
Let's try it.
Cheers. Oh, that's quite nice.
You know what? For 1 tin kit, that's not
quite
bad.
good, that.
That's quite good.
My only thing is,
yes,
it's starting to move away from a best bitter.
It's not best bitter, it's American Pale Ale.
He told me to wake up tonight, and I've done exactly the opposite, haven't I?
I'll give in. Give it, Phil. Get your ginger ale over here, boy. You're employed now as a new partaker.
You're right, it's American Pale Ale, and it's a very nice American Pale Ale. I was wondering, I thought it tasted a bit like American Pale Ale.
Truth. Yes, getting back, can you taste this kit?
We might do after we've tasted some full grain beers.
But other than that,
I'm going straight in blind. I've never tasted this brew yet, and quite frankly, I'll be very happy with that. If you bring me that and give me a pint of that, I'd be have an all round, please. Yeah, thank you very much.
I mean, it's worth checking out the others. You've got some more in the range. If those of you like lager, do a lager and a pilsner as well. That's quite hoppy.
Yeah.
There's fruit in, like it says, there's a malty biscuitness to the back of the tin.
Yeah.
It does everything it says on the tin.
It does indeed.
And if that reason, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10.
You know, I'm going to go the same. You can't fault it. There is absolutely nothing you can fault about that beer.
No.
So, yeah, 10 out of 10 for me.
Only thing I will say, I've had that kit made quite a while.
Ah, so it's been conditioning for quite a bit then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably November last year.
Ooh, quite a while then, yeah.
So bear that in mind. When you're making these 1 tin kits or any extract kit, to be fair, I've always said, condition.
Yeah. That's proved on that one. That one tastes fun. Yeah. Look forward to 2 more pints of that. Right. Should we move on to a best bitter?
We'll move on to a best bitter now.
Sorry about that, folks. It was me. So this is Brew Day.
Yep.
Charles Faram Best Bitter.
Yep.
Now, this is a full grain, I believe, bro.
Yeah, that's right.
So we've not really got any packaging, so I've got a bit of blurb on the phone. So it's a 4.2. Let's have a scroll down here. So it's a flavourful, refreshing and well-balanced classic English Best Bitter, giving a bready, biscuit, malt character, while the Progress and Jest hops bring hints of honey and blackcurrant. You're right back there, bro?
Yep, carry on reading.
Okay. Well, that's it really for the description. Then there's obviously
You say something about blackcurrant?
yeah, Progress and Jester hops bring hints of honey and blackcurrant.
Oh, well, we'll give it a go.
There's a bit of history about the brewery, Charles Faram, and then there's the ingredients, and it says £11 to £14 on there, depending on the size you get.
Fairly good value. You do need £400 worth of kit to brew it in. Oh, you don't need that much. You can still do what some people do, brew in the bag. So basically, you just need a big bag and a something that'll hold 25 litres of water.
Yeah. Now,
big bucket.
Now, what we've done about colour. So now the American Pale Ale, I'd say is actually darker than the Best Bitter.
I'm just hoping we've gone the right way around.
Right, okay. I've got some nose look. It's all going wrong
I'm
tonight.
not really getting a strong nose of anything, really.
No, I'm not either. This is why I've got my nose right in there. I'm good. Sorry, I dived in straight away.
It just smells like beer.
Well, it's not even that beery, to be honest. I'm not getting a lot of anything from that. Oh, I'm going in. I've just got a little bit of biscuit at the end there.
I don't think I'm getting anything at all. It's almost, it's just like a...
Give it a few seconds.
Yeah.
You do get a bit of the biscuit and a bit of malt, but that's very, very subtle.
Biscuit, malt, it's all the flavours are there. Biscuit, malt, and then the dry hoppiness, but it's all very, very, very subtle.
Yeah.
Probably like a classic English beer that's probably...
It's completely non-offensive. There's perfectly nothing wrong with it. But for the first time, I'd say the 1 tin kit is probably better for flavour than the all grain.
I mean, some people's best bitters, Thixton's best bitter, etc., and Bathurst's best bitter, they all have a nice rounded bodied mouthful feel. The balance of the malt compared with the hops is like flavoursome. This isn't.
No.
It's
okay. There's nothing wrong with it.
Okay, I'm not going to drink it. Don't get me wrong.
It's probably one to start the evening on.
It's just like.
It's all right. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's just not hitting me very much.
No, just not.
What are you going in with?
9 out of 10, I think. Perfect, good, easy drinking beer. Not a lot going on there, really.
I'm going to go an 8, I think, to be honest.
Yeah.
Like I say, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just not punching me lights out.
No.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
You don't want nobody punching your lights out, do you?
Hey?
You don't want nobody punching your
lights out. I want beer punching me out lights out. I want beer to do that to me.
Well then, we best move on across to the dark side.
Right then. What we've got here then, bro, is dog and porridge. That's him, me, or me and him.
Right, I've been across to that there malt miller. I've with a couple of with a couple of friends of mine. We've come up with the tribute to a Blackwidow from 8 Sail.
8 Sail is our local brewery over in Heckington. They do this beer, Black Widow, and it's a lovely, dark, rich beer, isn't it?
Yeah, like I say, with that, with a couple of friends, I've gone on that malt miller and their recipe generated this recipe. I haven't released it yet. I was waiting more now so I could release it if it was any good.
So if it is any good and you release it,
yeah,
then can the folks out there go and get the recipe?
Yeah.
Well, we'll see what it's like.
There you go.
Oh,
this is probably one of my favourite beers. Local beers, if you do get a chance to try it in bottles anywhere, Pint 365 do 8 sale beers.
Yeah, or if you're on a railway line anywhere, the railway, there's a station at Higginton, the train stops literally next to the brewery.
Yeah, you can get off on your way to Skeg, get off at the brewery, have an hour there, then
don't go to Skeg. No, don't go to Skeg, just stay at the brewery.
Think you might have a better day.
Anyway, it is a black beer, as we can see.
Yes.
Now, is it classed as a stout or a mild or anything, bro?
It's a dark mild.
It's a dark mild, so there we go.
And 8 sale mate there's to 5.5.
And how strong do you think this one is?
It's slightly stronger. I think we've got the numbers slightly strong. We don't know how because we've used 5.5 kilos of grain.
Okay,
so it should basically come out 5.5.
Okay, Ryan, so let's have a whiff.
Oh, this smell of the dark, rich roastiness comes through straight away.
Yes, it's almost coffee-like, isn't it? It's roasted. You just got everything else going on in there. That smells complex.
Yeah, you've got
I'm looking forward to it.
Malts, chocolate, slight into coffee. Yeah.
Right, I'm going in.
Cheers.
Dear Lord above.
Oh, that's amazing. I think we've hit the nail on the head there.
Bang on.
Oh,
that is good.
The dryness, the roastiness, the maltness is very, very well balanced, just like it is at 8 sour beer. It purrs across the tongue like velvet.
Yeah.
Man, if I'm going to release this recipe, get across and just try it. If you like a dark, rich, malty, chocolatey, mild even.
Mild. I mean, it's bordering on a stout, isn't it? But it's just full of flavour. It's better than a stout. Full of flavour.
Full of flavour.
Roasted, like my brother says, roasted, dark, lovely. That is fantastic, bro. It's an 11 out of 10 if we can do it.
Oh, yeah, it's an 11 out of 10.
It's an out of 10 all day long. I know we shouldn't really put our own beers on the list, but it's got to go on it.
No, I can't. I don't see how as a can. You can't put your own beer on the beer list and give yourself a reward for. I mean, that's just crazy.
I think you can.
I can pat myself on the back and say, yeah, that's a really good.
I'll pat yourself on the back. That is fantastic, eh, bro?
Nice, dark, red, rich colour. Absolutely fantastic.
It's 10 out of 10 all day long. Yeah.
10 out of 10.
Fantastic. So, will you be releasing the recipe?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We're releasing the recipe on Malt Miller. Get across there when I released it and get it tried.
Get it tried. Because
it is brilliant. Awesome.
Oh, brilliant. So then, Brian, I think that's it for the beers then. So we had a 10 out of 10. And we had a 10 out of 10 1-tin kit.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
So the best beers on the bar were my own.
Yes.
And a 1-tin kit from Williams Warm.
Yes. Lovely jubbly.
Lovely jubbly.
So I'll tell the viewers what's coming next.
Subscribe. Stay tuned. Don't miss the next episode.
Nothing dramatic's going to happen. You just don't miss it.
You never know.
You never know. Dark Rock Nectotron, is that? Nectotron.
Nectotron, I think. I think that O should be an A. Nectotron.
Can't blame me for that one. What's that, Embro?
It's a new op. It's the rage at the minute. It's a 1-tin kit again from the guys at Dark Rock.
Right,
obviously comes with an answer. They're very kindly sent it because it was new out. It's a new op from I think New Zealand somewhere. Australia that way on anyway.
Is that what the name of the hop is?
Yes.
Right. Okay. Right. Yeah. Dog and Park. Hello, we've got another one from us. Tribute to 8 Sale Victorian Porter.
Yeah.
Says what it is on there. Anyway,
I've been busy.
He's been busy. Make your own.
Yeah.
Well, you do.
Yeah. Now this is a kit from quite a few people that are their own brewing community. Keep seeing it quite often. Again, we're going trying to broaden the expansion and range, etc.
Yes.
This is from the range. No,
Is
that
it
big
really?
shop, the range.
Oh, it's a bit like a modern upscale version of
Woolworths.
Woolworths or something like that. Yeah, well, no, pretty much, isn't it? Like, you know, I used to get homebrew kits in Woolies in the back in the day, didn't you? So, you know. So that's a make your own Irish stout.
Yeah. Now, the only thing is we'll have to talk about this next time, but the only thing is you can buy this kit at, like I say, the range.
Yeah.
I think the kit is made by Bevy. Bevy make Mangrove Jacks.
Yeah.
I hated Mangrove Jacks Irish Stout, so we'll see how this goes.
Could be the same kit. See about that. That's about it for this week, isn't it, right?
This is it. That's it.
If you're watching us anywhere else, hop along to that YouTube channel, subscribe and comment.
Yeah.
Comment away. We love them. It's great.
Coming away, you never know. Next time you might be identifying as somebody else, and I might be identifying as the world's best brewmaster ever.
It's his brother. It was his birthday. My brother's birthday this week. I gave him a card and I put he was an absolute legend on it. It was a big mistake. Anyway, happy birthday, right?
Thank you very much indeed.
Is that it? We're wrapping up.
Well, that's about it from the next time. So it's goodbye from him.
And it's goodbye from him.
Huzzah!
Huzzah!
To the king.
Oh yes, get all that. Oh.